Exercise 7.1. So, in the last two classes, we discussed about the integrals and all the trigonometric, algebraic integrals. In this, you have to remember one thing: if there is a coefficient of x, that should be in the denominator. For example, integration of sin x is minus of cos x divided by a, like that. Now, using this idea, now I am going to solve the exercise number 7.1. Find the integration of the following: sin of 2x dx. What is the integration of sin 2x? It is a cos 2x divided by 2. Coefficient of x in the denominator. Integration of cos 3x dx. It is a model number 1. So here we find the integrals using the models because we don't have any rules. Cos 3x is integration of sin x is cos x. Cos x is sin x divided by coefficient of x in the denominator plus of c. Third one is integration of e raised to 2x. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x divided by coefficient of x in the denominator. Integration of ax plus b bracket square. Integration of x square form x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into coefficient of x in the denominator. The next one is fifth. Integration of sin 2x minus of 4 into e raised to 3x. Okay. Now integration of first function, second function. Integration of the first function minus integration of the second function. Sin x minus cos x divided by coefficient of x in the denominator minus constant outside integration of e raised to x divided by 3 plus of c. It has some constant, constant plus constant is again a constant, therefore you write only 1 plus c. Integration of 4 e raised to 3x minus of 1 dx. Integration of two functions, sum or difference. Integration of 1 dx, constant outside. Integration of 3x is e raised to 3x divided by 3. Integration of 1 is x plus of c. Integration of 1 minus of 1 divided by x square into dx. Remember one thing. In differentiation we have sum rule, difference rule, product rule and quotient rule. Product idrunu ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, quotient idrunu ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. But integration ಒಳಗ product, quotient ಆ ತರ ಯಾವುದು rule ಇಲ್ಲ. We convert it into a standard models. But integration ಒಳಗ product, quotient avoid ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Product quotient avoid ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. If it is a sum or difference, then it is good. So it is a product, but if you expand the bracket, x square 1 dx, integration of x square dx, integration of 1 dx, integration of x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, integration of 1 is x plus of c. Right. Eighth one, integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integration applicable to every term. Integration of bx, integration of c dx. E outside, x square is x cube by 3. B outside, integration of this x square by 2. C outside, integration of 1 is x plus constant k. Already C used again, therefore I take another constant k. Ninth, integration of 2x square plus e raised to x dx. Integration of 2x square, integration of e raised to x dx, 2 outside, integration of x cube, x square, x raised to n into x raised to n plus 1, e raised to x is e raised to x plus of c. 10th, integration of root x minus 1 by root x bracket square. It is of the form a minus b bracket square. We cannot write the composite rule. U square a square plus b square minus 2a into b. Okay. It is a root x bracket square. A square root x bracket square b square. Now we can write x plus 1 by x minus 2 dx. Now integrate 1 by 1 integration of x square by 2 integration of 1 by x log x 200 integration of 1 x plus of c. This is what the answer. Very simple, very with a basic idea. If you know the integrals of the main integrals, then with the help of that we write the integration. But one thing, remember, we cannot apply the composite rule, product rule, quotient rule as we did in a differentiation. Here we express it in the known form, that too some more difference. So these are the questions. Once again I revise all the questions. Integration of sine 2x, cos 2x divided by 2, coefficient of x in the denominator. Integration of cos 3x, cos x is sin x, cos 3x is sin 3x, coefficient of x in the denominator. E raised to x is e raised to x, coefficient of x in the denominator. Ax plus b bracket square, it is of the form x raised to n, x raised to n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, you have to write it, 2 plus 1, and here also it is a 2 plus 1. Coefficient of x in the denominator, 2 plus 1 is 3, that one more step. It is a sum of all. If it is a sum or difference, then integration is applicable to both the terms. Integration of first function, integration of second. Integration of sin x, cos x, coefficient of x in the denominator. Constant outside. Integration of e raised to 3x is 3x by 3. Integration of 4 e raised to 3x by 3. 1 is x. Product is not applicable. Product, we cannot apply the product rule here. Expand the bracket x square minus of 1, integration of x square and x cube by 3 x. Integration 1 by 1, constant outside x cube by 3b, x square by 2, cx plus k. Integration of this. Integration of 2x square and x. 2 x cube by 3 e raised to x is a minus b bracket square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, x 1 by x 2. Write the integration. Okay. So simple, very simple questions. This is the model number 1. There is with the known integrals. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಮಿಸ್ಸೆಲೇನಿಯಸ್, ಜನರಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಎಲ್ಸಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. Today we consider 7.1. In this, only one model is that. ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay. Next question is 11th one. Integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. Okay, think of this. ಇದನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ Well, it quotient illa, product illa. But do you know this is applicable to all the terms? One example, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? 3 is the LCM, 2 plus of 5. Conversely, we can write it 2 plus 5 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Similarly, the denominator is applicable to all the terms. X cube by x square, 5x square by x square, 4 divided by x square into dx. Now simplifying integration is applicable to all the terms. X dx, 5 integration of 1 dx, okay, minus 4 integration of 1 by x square dx, integration of x, x square by 2, 5 as this, integration of 1, x, 4, it is minus 1 by x, or the constant c, or x square by 2 plus of 5x plus of 4 by x plus c is the what answer. This denominator is applicable to all the terms. Now integration of maximum ಈ hint use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. X cube x square 5x square by x square x find 2 1 dx 4 ಬೇಡ. Simplify, write the integrals, we get the terms. Next one, 12th homework it is same model, x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x dx, applicable to all the terms. X cube by x raised to half, root x means x raised to half, 3 divided by 3x divided by x raised to half, okay, 4 divided by x raised to half or root x, you can write because we know the integration of this. If you simplify, a raised to m divided by a raised to m minus of n, it is a 5 by 2. 3 outside, integration of half, plus of 4 outside, 1 by root x. I won't disturb this because I know the integral of this. X raised to n, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. It is also x raised to n, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. 4 outside, integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. Next step is simplification. X raised to 2 is the LCM, 5 plus 2 7 by 2, it is also 7 by 2, therefore 2 by 7, x raised to 7 by 2, it is a 3 by 2, it is also 3 by 2, 2 by 3, already it is 3, 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2, okay, 4 those are 8 root x plus of c. Both of the models are same. Denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಪ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We convert it into a sum or a difference. We divide every term by root x. Into root x, into root x, into root x. X raised to x raised to root x and x raised to okay. A raised to m by a raised to m minus n 5 by 2 m minus n. ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ರೇಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. That's okay. 13th integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus of 1 divided by x minus of 1. Observe carefully, applicable to all the terms. ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again it becomes complicated. But if you observe, in these two x is common, x square is common, we get a x minus of 1. In this also 1 is common, x minus of 1. Obviously denominator also x minus of 1 is. What is common? X minus of 1. What do we get here? X square plus 1 divided by x minus of 1 dx. Now it becomes a very simple x square plus 1 dx. Integration of this is very simple. X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 1. Integration of 1 is x plus of c, which is the required answer. Very important. ಚಂದ ಐತಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. If you observe this, x minus 1 is the common, x square square is a common term. X minus 1 and then x minus 1 common color. Automatically integration of x square minus 1. 14th. What are the product and quotient? We should not entertain these product and quotient form. So then a product can you convert this one into regular form, sum or difference, S x raised to 1 by 2, distributive law, x raised to 1 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2, okay? X raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to this 3 by 2. Now integration of n plus 1 divided by n plus of 1 minus, it is also x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You can simplify this 3 by 2, it is also 3 by 2 if it comes in the numerator. 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. The bracket bandra 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus of c, which is the required answer. Right? Very simple. And 15. You can take this one as a homework. Integration of root x, 3x square plus 2x plus of 3. Okay. Homework it is. You write it as x raised to half, expand the bracket. Exactly the same problem. You try this. It is another simple problem. Okay. Once again, quotient form divide every term by x square, x dx 5 1 dx 4 by x square dx, x square by 2 5 x minus 1 by x. Okay, simplification. Using the x raised to 1 by 2, x raised to 1 by 2 applicable to all the terms, x raised to 5 by 2, a raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to m minus 1, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, simplification. In this, we have to cancel this term, x square outside x minus 1 and 1 over x minus 1, x minus 1 outside x square plus of 1, integration, simple. And it is a distributive law, product and we distribute model, x raised to half minus x raised to 3 by 2, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly, it is a homework. Yes. Integration quotient product entertain ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. August we try to convert them into some more difference form. ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ integrals ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. For example, if you take any expression, if you know the integral of that and if it is a sum or difference, then we can write it. Product and quotient ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತವ್ರಿ, ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಿದೆ ಇಂಥದ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತದೆ? x plus of 2 divided by x square plus 4x plus of 9 dx. Sir, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, but we cannot convert this one. We cannot convert this one into sum or difference ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, yes, we have different techniques for that. Function and derivative ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If you simplify this one, you will get the answer x square plus 4x plus 9. How? We will see it later. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. x square is 2x, 4x is 4 constant is 0, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರೇ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಾಕಿದ್ದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಅದು ಏನೋ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಒಯ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಒಯ್ದು ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 16th integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus of e raised to x dx, integration of 2x, integration of 3 outside cos x, integration of e raised to x, 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ x square by 2, integration of cos x is sin x, e raised to x is e raised to x plus of c, simplify to do cancels. See the same model. 17th just to try. I read the answer here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 5 root of x ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 2 outside integration of x square is x cube by 3. 3 outside integration of sin x is minus cos x minus into minus plus. 5 integration of x raised to half ಇದೆ. n plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is 10 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 plus of c is the answer. Okay, next 18 integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x. Okay, again product not preferred. Expand part integration of sec x is sec square x plus sec x tan x. Yes, now ashapatadu some more difference. Yes, it is there. Moreover, we know the integrals of this. We know the integration of sec square x and we know the integration of sec x into tan x dx. What is the integration of sec square x? Tan x, because differentiation of tan x is sec square x. What is the integration of sec x tan x? Sec x, right? Because differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x plus of c is the answer. Yes. Next 19th problem. Integration of sec square x divided by cosec square x. Okay, sec square x means 1 divided by cos square x. Cosec square x is 1 divided by sin square x. Sin square x by cos square x is equal to tan square x. But we don't know the integration of tan square x. But the tan square x is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Tan square x is nothing but sec square x minus 1. Yes. Now we know the integration of sec square x. Tan x, integration of 1 is x plus of c. Okay. 28th. Integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. Okay. Other technique use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ applicable ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 by cos square x 3 into sin x divided by cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x. 2 ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ sec square x. 3 sin by cos is tan x into sec x. Integration 200 integration of sec square x. 3 outside integration of sec x into tan x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus of c. Observe all these problems. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ quotient ಅದಾವ. ಇದು quotient rule ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ quotient rule ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. It is applicable to both the terms. Then we convert it in the standard integral. Then we get the answer. Two more questions are there. Very simple exercise it is. Just think of this. Just in a 25 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, we complete the whole exercise. That too 22 questions. Very easy. Okay, integration is very simple. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 1 ತಾಸಿನ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅದಾವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಎಸ್ 21 and 22 these are the questions with the options. ಅಂದ್ರೆ CET ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ antiderivative means integration, okay, of root x plus 1 by root x is 4 options are given: A, B, C and D. This is the one problem. 1 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 2 into x raised to 1 by 3, 1 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3 x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 x square dx. 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2, 2x raised to 1 by 2 plus what? C. The last one is 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus of 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 plus of c. So you solve normal, but now c level के माध्यम में करेंगे. इधर हम standard what is the root x? 2 root x electron code. Root x means x raised to half. ಇದು ಇದ್ದವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೈತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೈತೆ. So you add a correct. These two are the correct answers. ಇವೆರಡು ಏನದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು 2 by 3 2 by 3 1 by 3 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನೀವು ಹಿಂದಿಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 ನ ಬರ್ತದೆ because it is in the denominator. Therefore this will be the correct. This is also wrong. ನೀವು ಸಿಇಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಬಿಡಿಶ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ, ಒಂದು ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. You check only into is there, these two are not the answers. In ಇವೆರಡರ ಒಂದು ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. root x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x raised to 1 by 2, 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇಪ್ x ಆಗಿದಾವೆ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. This is the correct answer. The last one, differentiation of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 divided by x raised to 4 such that f of 2 is equal to 0. Then f of x is equal to how much? A, again there are four options. X raised to 4 divided by 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8. B, x cube plus 1 divided by x raised to 4 plus of 129 by 8. C, x raised to 4 plus 1 by x cube plus 129 by 8. D, x cube plus 1 by x raised to 4 minus 129 by 8. This is the last one, exercise number 7.1. Differentiation of f of x is equal to this much. Remember, differentiation of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x raised to 4. Or what is f of x? F of x is differentiation होगा. What is the reverse process of differentiation? Integration. Integrate both sides. Integration of differentiation dx. Integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x raised to 4 into dx. Integration of differentiation होगे. Integration and differentiation होगे. बड़े निम्न ये नोड़ितो. f of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ integration of this x raised to 4 by 4 ಇದು integration of x raised to back ಬರ್ತದೆ minus 4dx. Yes, f of x is equal to 4 cancels x raised to 4 minus 3 x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 x raised to minus 3 divided by minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 cancels, therefore x raised to 4 divided by plus 1 divided by x cube. It is mod f of x plus of c. Now f of x is this, but I don't know c. I don't know this c. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ c ಬೆಲೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Put x is equal to f of 2 is given. f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 1 divided by 2 cube plus of c. f of 2, it is given 0. 2 raised to 4, how much? 16. 1 by 2 cube is 8 plus of c. 8, 48, 148 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus 149 by 8. 128, sorry, it is 128. 129 by 8. Therefore, f of x is equal to, what is that? X raised to 4 plus 1 by x cube minus of 129 by 8. This is what the answer. Yes. Here again, shortcut model ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಉತ್ತರ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here you can change the answer. X raised to 4 by x cube ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x raised to 4 by x cube ಇದೊಂದು ಇವೆರಡು x cube ಅದ, therefore these two are not the answers. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ obviously c becomes negative. Therefore the correct answer is this. This is shortcut. ಪೂರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ we should write the answer. So this is what your exercise number 7.1. In 7.1 we have 21 questions, 22 questions. ಎಲ್ಲ 22 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದೆ. So for that I took time 31 minutes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ ಆನ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಒಂದು ತಾಸು, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಒಂದು 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 1 ಅವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಇದೇನು ಅಗದಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we use this time for the other problems which are appeared in your CET. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್, ಇದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ. Now I take such a questions. So from this waste ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ 7.1. ಆ 7.1 ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಾವು ಅದರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾನು ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಈಗ I read some of the problems, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ CET ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ 7.1 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. 7.1 ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಾವು I read from your CET and IIT advanced, the IIT means then IIT advanced ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ನಾವು I read one simple problem. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus of cos x divided by 1 plus of cos 2x. Observe. So ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ that is for your CET ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? 1 minus cos x 2x 2 sin square x 1 plus cos 2x 2 cos square x cancellation tan square x ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tan square x sec square x minus 1 integration of sec square x is tan x minus of x. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡೋದು. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಜೆಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಎಂತವು? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e raised to log of 1 divided by 1 plus of x square. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ e raised to log of f of x is equal to what? f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. But we know the integration of this. What is the derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x plus of c. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು integration of x divided by x plus of 4. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು? x plus 4 divided by x ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಸರಳ. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ 1 plus of 4 by x dx. Integration of 1 is x. 4 outside log of x plus c. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಂಶಯ ಐತಿ ಇದು ಉತ್ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು 1 ಆಗೈತಿ, ಇದು 4 divided by x ಆಗೈತಿ, ಇದು 0 ಆಗೈತಿ. x is the LCM, x plus of 4. The same answer you have. See the difference, it is a x plus 4 by 4, it is a x divided by x plus of 4. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, some modifications, some mathematical also you require. x plus 4 minus 4, add and subtract 4 ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Am I right? Now x plus 4 is applicable to this and this. X plus 4 by x plus of 4 minus 4 divided by x plus of 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗೇನಾಯಿತು? ಇವೆರಡು ಸಂಬಂಧ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 4 ಇದೇನು 1 divided by x plus 4 dx. Integration of 1 is x minus 4. ಇದು 1 divided by x plus 4. 1 divided by x form, it is a log of x plus of 4 plus of c. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ you do one thing, you find the derivative, you will get this answer. x is 1 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, right? 1 minus of 4 divided by x plus 4, log of x plus of 4 is the answer. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again you get this one. ಇದರ derivative 1 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, minus 4 divided by x plus of 4, again LCM simplify, you get this term. So these are special. You are ನಮ್ದು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಏನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, e raised to log of f of x is equal to this, ಆಮೇಲೆ f of x, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ add and subtract, right? Add and subtract. So in this way we have varieties of questions for your CET. Now I take some standard questions concerned with your 7.1. 7.1 is concerned with the now additional questions to make you more perfect. You know ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ then we take problems of this category. So which appeared in your what CD ಅಂತಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ questions ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ, then ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right. Very few questions are right. Again, long ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಮುಗಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ CET ಒಳಗಂದಾಗ in our book we have level 1, level 2, level 3 questions ಇರೋದಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಅವತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು 7.1 ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅರೈಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ CET ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾಗಲ್ಲ. Right, this is integration of sin inverse of cos x dx. Okay, alright, this one is sin inverse of sin of 90 minus of x. बराबर ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. sin inverse of cos, cos can be written as sin of 90 minus of x. Now ratios are same, pi by 2 minus of x dx. Integration of pi by 2 minus integration of x. Pi by 2 where the integration of 1 is x, it is x square by 2 plus of c. Okay. Next question. Second one. Integration of e raised to 6 log of x minus e raised to 5 log of x divided by e raised to 4 log of x minus e raised to 2 log of x. Right. It is e raised to log of x raised to 6. Right. It is e raised to log of x raised to 5. Log of m raised to n is equal to n log of m. n log m is equal to log of m raised to n. X raised to 4, x raised to 2, e raised to, again use this property. I have done e raised to log of anything is equal to the same thing, With respect to x raised to 6, x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x raised to 2. Remember? Common. What is common? If you take a x raised to 4 minus 2 idile common ತೆಗೀರಿ x raised to 2 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ if you take x raised to 4 minus of x raised to 5 is ಇಲ್ಲಿ x raised to 2 is then ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ here you can take x outside x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4. If you take x raised to 5 outside, you get x minus of 1. If you take x square outside, you will relate. If you take x square outside, you get x square x square minus of 1. Now it is the integration of x raised to 5 x minus of 1 divided by x square into x minus 1 and x plus of 1 cancellation. Integration of it is x cube divided by x plus of 1 dx. Now we can continue. Right? So this is what another one x raised to e raised to log of x form. You throw integration. Right? So next one is x raised to 4 minus of 1. It is an improper form. But in your book, ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ improper must be converted into a proper but in your book it is given 3 and then it is 3 then it is a 3 then if you take a 3 then what is this you have to take x outside okay x cube outside then it becomes x minus of 1. Then we cancel each other. If it is a case, integration of x squared dx, it is a x cube by 3 plus. It is a simple. It is simple. Akasmat in bandidre se bardadino. It is a conversion of improper function into a proper function. So this is from C, right? Next. Now I just write selected questions, very standard questions. Next one is integration of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x. ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೇ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sin x by sin x plus cos x by sin x. Integration of sin x by sin x is 1. Cos by sin x is cot x dx. Integration of 1 is x. Cot x is log of sin x plus of c. The answer. One more. Fourth one. Integration of 1 minus cos x divided by sin square x. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ? 1 minus of cos x divided by sin square x ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು 1 minus of cos square x. 1 minus of cos x. It is of the form 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 square. A square minus b square. A minus b. A plus of b cancellation. Integration of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Standard form. 1 divided by what is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2. Correct? Therefore, integration of 1 by 2 cos square may bandra sec square x by 2. 1 by 2 integration of sec square x tan x by 2 divided by coefficient of x in the denominator. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. This is very important. Tan x by 2 divided by coefficient of x in the denominator. If you cancel agtava, then simplify, you write the answer. Right? Next. This is standard. Now, this model miscellaneous questions ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಮಾಡೋ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇದೆ. Yes. These are all CET level PUCಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದು NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 7.1 ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವೆರಿ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x dx okay ಕೆಲವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ದನ್ನ it is a cos x square x ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin square x dx integration of cos x square x is minus cot x integration of sin square x is tan x plus c ಮುಗೀತು but it is a wrong ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ this step is correct but here it is a product ಏನು ಅಲಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು we should not apply the product ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಬಹುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ಎಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಅಡೋನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ sin square x plus cos square x yes divided by sin square x into cos square x dx able to ಸಂಬಂಧ if it is applicable to sin square x 1 by cos square x 1 by sin square x 1 by cos square x is sec square x 1 by sin square x is cosec square x sec square x is tan x cosec square x is cot x plus of c right ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದು ಏನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ we have number of methods sin square x into cos square x ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ 1 divided by sin x cos x bracket square then multiply and divide by 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 bracket square ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು sin 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 4 ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ 4 divided by it is a sin square 2x because 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x therefore integration of 4 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ cos x square 2x 4 ಹೊರಗಡೆ integration of cos x square x is minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus of c is the answer both the answers are correct it is in terms of trigonometric ratios but it is in terms of multiple and submultiple angles it is in terms of 2x ಬಂದಿದೆ it is in terms of x ಬಂದಿದೆ so observe the answers options ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿ ನಾವು 2x ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can write it like this one more integration of square root of 1 minus of sin 2x yes ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ 1 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಿ sin square x plus cos square x ಇದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರೂಟ್ u 1 by root u ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ sin square x plus cos square x ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು 2 sin x cos x right so integration of sin square x plus cos square x is 1 ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಬರೋದು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು it is a square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b bracket square square root x square ಹೋಯಿತು integration of sin x minus cos x dx integration of sin x is cos x is sin x right plus of c ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ we convert in the standard form ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we write the problem yes now one more tan inverse of it is also question from your CD 2x divided by 1 plus of cos 2x integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x 2 cancels cos cancels tan inverse of sin by cos that is tan x tan inverse of tan ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ x dx integration of x is x square by 2 plus of c ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ But we use the identities to convert it into a very simple and standard form. Yes. One more. One more is the varieties, different varieties. Yes. Integration of integration of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. आगे बढ़िएगा ये ना 1 divided by 2 what cos square x by 2 integration of 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 1 by 2 integration of sec square x by 2 tan x by 2 divided by coefficient of x in the denominator is ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದು cancel x by tan x by 2 plus of c. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 1 divided by 1 plus sin x ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು 1 divided by 1 plus sin x multiply divided by 1 minus sin x ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ now it is 1 minus of sin x a plus b minus b square minus b square 1 minus of sin square x 1 minus of sin square x is cos square x applicable to both the terms 1 by cos square x sin x divided by cos x into cos x integration of it is a sec square x sin by cos is tan x 1 by cos is sec x. Okay, you know the integration of sec square x, it is tan x. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus c. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೋಡು sin x divided by 1 plus of sin x ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದರ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x plus divided by x plus of 4 ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ add and subtract 1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ 1 plus sin x 1 minus of 1 divided by 1 plus of sin x integration of 1 dx integration of 1 divided by 1 plus of sin x integration of 1 is x thus it is here correct ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is in terms of half angle ಇದನ್ನು ಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ and ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ integration of 1 minus of cos x 1 plus cos x 1 minus cos x is 1 minus of cos square x which is sin square x 1 divided by sin square x minus cos by sin square x cos by sin cot x 1 by cos x by sin x into sin x 1 by sin x is 1 by sin square x is cos x square x it is a cos by sin cot x into cosec x cosec square x minus cot x cosec x into cot x is minus into minus plus cosec x. It is in terms of full angle and it is in terms of half angle. It is also correct. Right? Now, one more varieties of the questions we consider different varieties. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಥವಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇವನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos square x integration of cos square x divided by 1 minus sin z 1 minus of sin x ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ cos square x 1 minus of sin square x 1 minus of sin x into 1 minus of sin x ಇದು a square minus b square a minus b in another bracket a plus b divided by 1 minus of sin x ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ integration of 1 plus of sin x so 1 is x and sin x is minus of cos x plus of c so this is what exercise number 7.1 in that one additional 15 questions for CET okay ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ but convert into a product or sum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Now I take one problem. X cube plus of 3x square minus of 8 plus of 8x plus of 9 into 3x square plus of 6x minus of 8 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಂದಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Can you convert this quotient into product sum or difference? No. Can you convert this one into a sum or difference? Yes, but lengthy. But ಇಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಂದಾಗ how to solve the problems, that is very interesting. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಳೆಯುವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse of x bracket raised to 9 divided by 1 plus of x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಯಾರು ಬಂದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಪ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂತ್ರಗಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಚಂದ. ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ನಾವು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳತ್ತೀವಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸಮ್, ಸಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಸಮ್. ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 4x ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 3x ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸಮ್, ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. sin a cos b is one form, cos a sin b is another form, sin a sin b is one form, cos a cos b is another form. sin a cos b is equal to what? 1 divided by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 1 by 2 sin a plus b minus of cos a minus of sin a minus of b. 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Minus 1 by 2 sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. If you apply this on the form sin a sin b, if it is a sin a sin b, it is a 1 divided by 2, okay, sin of a plus b plus of sin of a minus of b, and you can write the integration 1 by 2. Product wise sum ಆಯಿತು, sin 7x is cos 7x divided by 7, ಇದು sin 7x divided by 7, cos 7x divided by 7. This product can be converted into a sum, but this quotient cannot be converted into sum or difference. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೆರಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ಇದೇ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. Function and derivative. Just on hint ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. Think of this. Definitely you will get the answer tomorrow. Tan inverse of x is ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. Derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by plus x. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. x cube is 3x square. It is a 6x minus 8. Another function and derivative. One will be the function, another one will be the derivative. So ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಹೊತ್ತಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ I started this integration. Tomorrow we take this model, another model which is very important. Right.